So this is my fleet. I have here the countermeasure ship with evade armor as well, also evade special, and my evades over here, it is 93.2. I have adjust my build last month because it was required, as many player has been noticed that we require to have high evade on the flagship, and the rest of the ship, it's just only a killing ship. There is no countermeasure. This is the one I have. All of them are fully upgraded. I will do another target. So I prefer to enter from, as I mentioned, from 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And once I mention, I'll try to explain it right now, the target, what I'm going to do. So the first things, I will just mark up the turrets over here to know my limits. I'll bring my ships over here, attract the ship. It will come up to the open water. I can kill it easily. Bring my ships over here, and I will try to avoid that turret, so my ship will stop something over here. Target the same turrets. Once it's having closer to the aura, when it have the aura, I'll bring my ships. Then I keep moving, continue killing these turrets, killing that parts of the turrets. Then I bring my ships over here, and then I target these turrets to know the limits. Always try to know the limits, where is the movements. Then we will kill the ships over here, and then I'll come back to kill, because I need to kill these turrets over here. Once it's killed, I'll attract these ships to come out, chase me to kill it. Once we kill these ships and this lands and this one, I'll bring my ships over here, and then trust make this one your limit, so your ships will stop over here. You can kill this one, and with splash you will be able to kill the birds over here. Once it's killed, everything is over here. You just make the limits, just highlight this one so you know where you are going to drive. Bring your ships to these locations, kill these ships, moving ships, the 2 ships over here and 1 ships over here. Then continue moving, killing that parts, and then also killing this part and these, the other lands over here. The main things, as you can see over here on the ship itself, it having yellow bar and blue bar. The blue bar, when the ship it's moving, you can see the movements of the ship. It's not that, it's normal movements, but once it's having the yellow bar, the movements and the damage from the ship will do, it will be more. So try to maintain the firing power so you can still gaining an extra additional. It's a small speed, but really will make a difference, because once you have that type of turrets, you need to have movements, and therefore when we are when I'm killing the lands over here and killing the lands over here, I keep moving, so I'll be having more gain power. I hope these explanations will help you to have a better drive for the raid itself, for the target itself. So right now, as you can see, I bring my, once the ship has been coming up, I just go out. Try to avoid the green aura as well, because the green aura will give a damage. Now I try to know the limits, which is here. You can see I'm still having the blue. Now the yellow bar, it's rising up. When you are killing that part, you can see the drones has been launched. Forget about it, just maintain the speeds, try to kill the whole part. I will target this one so I know the limits, and then I bring my ship. Again, I'll bring my ships. Now I can come and kill I will attract the ship over here to chase me. At the same time, I'll kill this turret. As I mentioned, your limits over here. Bring my ships, target this one, so I know the limits where to stop my fleets. I bring my fleets over here. Same things again with this ship. Lost control of my ship. You can kill the lands over here. Again, this is your limits, so you need to stop your fleets. I just bring my ship because the drone has been launched. I want to make sure that I will wait for it. I forget while I'm driving to explain this part, but I'll stop my fleet. So when I came over here, I maintain my speeds moving. And once I maintain my speed, once I kill that part, that turret's over here, I switch to move over here. There is a turret here with the red aura and it's penetrative damage, so I keep moving, and then I take as much as I can over here because I want to avoid getting hit from this one, because if I turn on this part then I'll be having a damage. So as much as you can to the ends over here. I will try to do it again. You can rewind the video to see it again. So you bring your ships to the end over here. As you can see, my speed has been reduced right now. Then bring it over here. Once you killed it, maintain the street movements until it has been died. Do not make a sudden turn, because if you make a sudden turn, you will get some damage from the turret itself. You need to have a straight line. Then you bring your ships to the ends over here to avoid that turrets over here. Do not make the movements to come to the end like this. In this way you will be having a damage. So try to bring your ships to the end of the wall once you kill these turrets like this. Once you kill it, when you are moving, keep it to this one, and then this turret will be having a penetrative as well with the red aura. Then move to this part, kill it, and then just beside that part, as I'm doing right now, you will be able to have the maneuver. Now I'll try to continue. Then I'll kill this part. I'm doing the 900 because it's quicker. It's 1 million points. I'm trying to explain as much as you understand the targets, the movements of the ship with the target, you will be having a better result. So as you can see, it's 2 minutes because I was trying to explain the target. It takes time, but honestly it's real time. It's not that much. I hope this will help you to have a better rate. Thank you for watching.